How to make membership website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a membership website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started. And now we need to choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. So we need the membership website, so just type membership and click next. What do you want to do with your website? So here you need to choose the main purpose of your website. So basically for membership website, I think we need build community. Sell memberships, of course. Maybe you want to sell products, for example, some merch, or maybe offer a contact form, promote a physical business, sell services, publish a blog or other media. So basically, you can choose whatever you need here. You should choose by your needs, you know. So I'm gonna click next. And how would you like to start building your website? So guys, here you have two options, build with AI or browse templates. So honestly, I'm not a big fan of AI in this website. I think browsing templates is nicer, you know, is more interesting, especially for me, and it's really easy to do. So I'm gonna choose this one. Also, I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed templates. Also, all templates are really nice. Every template is was made by professional designer. So here you need to choose what template is you think the best for you, for your business. Also, you can choose the type of your website here and topic of your website. For some reason, squarespace.com offers us a fitness topic, but if you are making a website about membership, about maybe food or fashion or events, feel free to choose whatever you want here. Also, if you're not gonna sell something on your website, you need to unselect online store. So for this video, for an example, I'm gonna choose this one. Also, I think this template is really nice. And sample color presets, I can change it. For example, I can do it reddish, greenish, blue, whatever you want. Also later I'm gonna show you how to change colors more accurate, but now let's start with this design. Doesn't really matter for me because I'm not gonna use this website, I'm just making a video for you. Also guys, while we are waiting until everything loads, squarespace.com is the best option to create your own website because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create another website. So now we need to choose, we need to create site name right here. I'm gonna name it an example. Don't really need this website. And move forward. Some tips, we don't need them. And now we are ready to edit this website. Here you can see the name. Example, you can name it another. First of all, pages. You need to check this out. Here you can have main navigation, member sites, not linked pages. You can delete any of them. You can, for example, delete training page easily. You can add new page right here. For example, you want to create a portfolio page, just click this button, portfolio, and you can add the portfolio page. Next, you can change styles, you can change colors, you can color your website how you wanna. You can do it red, black, blue, whatever, very easy. You can change also fonts, themes, buttons, forms, whatever. Need to reload. Also, in this menu, you can manage some stuff about your website, such as products, invoicing, content, donations, scheduling, marketing, contacts, whatever. But let's edit this website. Click edit button. And now you are able to edit this website. But this red, I need to change it. Site styles here. Colors. Now we can read the text because it's black. So let's save this and edit. So here you can see the page is divided into several sections. Here we have header. So next section, it's like, I don't know, intro section. And in the end, of course, you have a footer section. Also, you can delete any of those. For example, this section, easily remove it, or you can add a new section here. You can add a intro, contact, about, people, products, testimonials, whatever, or you can add a blank section. So how to edit a section? For example, this one. Click this button, edit section. Now you can add a background, edit colors, edit the design, height, fill screen, whatever. For example, you want to edit this text, you can delete it, or you can edit it, you can move it, you can change the size, sorry. So, or you can just delete it and write whatever you want. For example, I don't know, welcome to my site. Welcome to my site. You can do it bigger, scale it. You can add an image, for example, but we haven't space to image, so we need to we need to scale this section like this. And now we need to click this button, add the block. Block is like any content, text, button, image, video, audio, form, whatever you want, you can add it like this. For example, image, let's put it here. So click this button, and now you can upload it from your computer or use stock images. These images are free. They was made by Squarespace. And for example, I don't know, let's just type membership. Okay, this image. Basically, you need to choose your images from your computer. But if you want, you can use free Squarespace's images. This one is not really a good image, but the library on Squarespace is really big, and sometimes you can find a really nice picture, believe me. So basically, I think you understood how to edit this one. You can move it, you can change the size, you can delete it, or you can replace this image, for example. You can even edit this image. So very easy. The entire interface of the site is very clear to any user, as you can see. And when you're done editing your website, you need to save it first of all, then click exit, and basically you need to publish your website so anyone can see it. First of all, you need to upgrade your account, subscribe, select a plan. So here you can see simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support. So most popular is business plan, $23 per month. But my recommendation, guys, if you want to sell something on your website, you need to choose either basic or advanced one. Uh, so when you're done, when you're upgraded your account, instead of this button, you'll have a publish button, also blue button. Click on this one and you're ready. Your site is available for every user in the internet. Um, so I think in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and see you soon.